love this juice because it doubles as a hot option, okay? Oh my God. Do you struggle with heartburn, indigestion? Are you having perimenopausal symptoms or menopausal symptoms, going through full-blown menopause? Are you struggling with bloating or inflammation of the stomach? Do you have fibroids or any other reproductive issues? Today's juice is really going to be a juice that has head to toe benefits. This juice is one you're going to want to put in your rotation no matter what. If you're interested, then stay tuned. First, a haul of our ingredients that are already prepped for us. Okay, amen? All right, so first up we have, hold on. First up we have green apple, gala apples, and ginger. The measurements for this juice are down in the description box below, so feel free to go get that for yourself. Also, if you did not know, I do give out a free produce shopping guide. It is completely free to you. It is also linked down in the description box as well. Feel free to go check that out, download that, and save it for your next grocery trip. Let's taste test. So good. So good. My goodness. All right, y'all. We have to give our rating for this juice. So let's get into it. I love this juice because it doubles as a hot option, okay? Literally second to none. Let's try it hot. Let's try it hot. Oh my God. This right here answers your winter cold pressed questions, okay? Oh my goodness. I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. It's so good. It's so good. All right, I'm not gonna prolong this any longer. Let's talk about this juice right here. I'm gonna keep the hot version, but just know this juice doubles as a hot and cold option. So take your pick and enjoy. We're not gonna prolong this any longer. So as far as taste is concerned, I would definitely give this juice a 5 out of 5 easily. 5 out of 5. This juice is going to be kid-friendly approved. I would say the cold option is more kid-friendly, but even when you warm it up, it's not gonna be super spicy, but that ginger does heat up a little bit. It is the perfect apple cider, okay? Just 3 ingredients, 2 if you really want to get down to it, but it's super simple. It's definitely going to be family friendly, and it's definitely a smooth texture going down. I would say this juice is more sweet than spicy, especially cold or on ice. I think with the fresh ice in the cold option, it actually calms down the ginger even more, because when I first tasted it as with the ice, I didn't taste as much ginger as I would have if I didn't put the ice. So if you want to just drink it, you know, maybe straight out of the bottle, then you'll probably have a little bit more of a ginger taste. But if you put it on ice, you can't taste much ginger at all. So Definitely recommend. Kid-friendly cold. Even when it's warm, I would say it's a little less kid-friendly, but if you want to kind of give your kid a taste with it, then you can. But if you have a picky eater, they may not like it hot. They may prefer it cold. As far as the ingredients, I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5. 5 basically is like 1 to 2 ingredients. So this recipe has 3 ingredients, but if you really want to get down to it, it really has 2. So apples and ginger, okay? So you don't have to be specific with your whatever kind of apples. I use Gala apples, honestly, because they're the cheapest. But then I also use green apples because it really brings down the sweetness, brings it down on the glycemic index. So if you want to, you can put green apple only and ginger, which is really going to be super simple, super cost effective. You can also just buy yourself a bag of Gala apples. You don't have to have both, and you don't have to do it like I did. Just remember that the measurements and things that I come up with are based off of the double apple, but you can always double up on one kind of apple if you prefer. Just so that you are aware, the green apple is less sweet than any other red apple. The green apple is actually the least sweet of all of the apples. If you put them like all in a row of sweetness, the green apple is going to rank last. So it is on your diabetic friendly side. It's good for beginners. It's good for budget friendly or the budget conscious. This juice is very, very, very simple. 2 ingredients. It's not going to break your budget. It's not going to harm your thought process. It's not going to send you into a frenzy with meal prep or anything like that. So I definitely recommend if you're just getting started or if you're on a tight budget. As far as health focus, this juice is actually probably going to be more in your general wellness category. Broadly general wellness, but it does target specific things. Please do not hear what I'm not saying. This juice does target specific things: heart, liver, kidneys. It's going to hit all of your major organs. If you have specific ailments, you can drink this juice. If you have general things that you're just trying to maybe heal your gut health and you don't have any chronic ailments, this juice is going to help as well. But because you know how they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, this juice has your apples, and then it also has that ginger, which is really going to combat inflammation. So it's going to combat bloating. It's going to combat fibroids. It's going to combat just stiffness in the joints. It's really, really, really a well-rounded choice for your wellness journey. I recommend having this a minimum on a weekly basis, but if it's something, this juice is actually super easy to bulk prep. Put it in bottles, put it in the fridge, pull it out one at a time. You can have it hot, cold. You can have it 12 months out of the year because it's not cold specific, hot specific. You can warm it up if you want to. This juice is actually your perfect option for your just grab and go, thoughtless process, just easy does it, quick and convenient. Perfect, perfect, perfect option. As far as texture and drinkability, if you will, this juice is really, really smooth. You guys saw me strain my juices. Those were the ones that were going into, I strained my juices because this is actually a juice off of my menu, a new addition, but on the menu nonetheless. You can feel free to go check out the website in the description below and hey, get you some. If you don't want to grocery shop and do all the hard work, heavy lifting yourself, you don't have a juicer perhaps, or you don't want to pull that bad boy out to clean it, you are more than welcome to go visit witnessthrufitness.com 24/7 and place your order for a juice cleanse or just a bulk pack of any one juice. I do have a discount code on there if it's your first time purchasing, so feel free to go check that out and try those juices. This juice is really, really smooth. It has no pulp at all. Even in the straining process, it didn't have much pulp at all, so there is not going to be much grittiness, much pulpiness coming from the juice as it goes down. Super, super, super convenient. Again, like I said, it's just perfect for everybody, everything, everyone, your beginner, your first time juicer, just everything, okay? If you like apples, you can have ginger, then you're gonna like this juice, okay? As far as who this juice is for, or this is such a broad this is such a broad category in this case. This juice is literally for if you have heartburn, if you have indigestion, if you struggle with bloating or inflammation of the stomach, if you have ulcers, if you have migraine headaches, if you have, I mean, just a number of things. You have degenerative disc disease, if you have joint issues, walking, sitting, standing issues. This juice is really well rounded for anyone and everyone. Heart issues, reproductive issues, endocrine issues, which is hormonal issues. You have bone issues. I mean, this juice is really, really, really well rounded. So it can help you with a targeted focus, but it also can help you with your general wellness as well. As far as the sensitivities, or I would say the categories that I would put this juice in, I would definitely say that I would put this juice in the kid-friendly category. This is one of those juices that you can try your kids out on and see. It's really varies if your kid likes ginger, if your kid is used to ginger. It's not a lot of ginger in it, I promise. If your child is ginger averse, or if you are kind of maybe just starting them out and trying to, if you have a picky eater on your hands like I do, then you may want to kind of tailor that, or even leave out the ginger, or just put super minimal doses and put it on ice, okay? And that's gonna kind of cover up that ginger taste, but still get it in their body, okay? Because it's very good for them. It's very important that they get that in there. I would also put this in the cardiovascular category. This is great for cardiovascular wellness. This is great for digestive health. This is great for your reproductive health. This is great for all of those categories. So you're going to be able to find this juice in all of those playlists on my channel here. I have all kinds of different playlists on the channel where we focus on all of the different systems of the body. And so there's juices for just about everything. If you don't find your juice or something that helps with that category, then please comment down below and I will be sure to put that on the list. Okay, it's really just endless, but I really want to make sure that you have something for you and your specific issue. Okay. I would also say that this juice is good for hosting, loosely hosting. This is kind of like your, if I had to put a category to it, I would say your family knows you. They know that you're about this wellness lifestyle and you're having like a small intimate get together and they're like, oh, what is Adrienne bringing this time? Oh, of course, she's bringing salad and juice. And this is the kind of juice you introduce them to. Somebody's gonna drink it, okay? I wouldn't take this to the function at work. I wouldn't take this to the Super Bowl party, the tailgating. I would definitely have this be more of an intimate gathering, maybe a Sunday dinner where you have family, your immediate family over, mom, dad, siblings, that kind of thing. Nieces, nephews, stuff like that. Somebody where it's like, and they'll drink it reluctantly because they love you and they want to see you. They know it's good for them, that kind of thing, but it's probably gonna, that's the best promise that I can make you as far as who I think would drink this juice, unless you know them, right? I wouldn't take this juice to a Galentine. I wouldn't take this juice to a Christmas party. I wouldn't take this juice much further than that. This is something that I would very much give to, even if I was gonna gift this to someone, this would be something that I would gift to someone that needs an easy start perhaps to their wellness journey, or that I'm introducing to a wellness journey, or that's really looking for something that's like gonna hit the taste buds just right, sweet but not too spicy, but it's enough to introduce them positively to a lifestyle of juicing. This is going to do it for them, right? It's like, oh, that wasn't bad, you know what I mean? That wasn't bad. So that's who I would recommend this juice for. You are more than welcome. Okay, well, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for all of the love on my last couple of videos. I'm just so grateful to God. I have no words, right? I really don't. I really have no words, but please feel free to check out the description box below with all of the information in there. You can check out the website, check out the website, enter the code there to get a discount. You can also get your free produce guide if you want help shopping in the grocery store. I just kind of give you like how to shop in season. I'm a really big proponent of shopping in season, so I give you a cheat sheet, and so you're more than welcome to that cheat sheet there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this juice, because you know what? I'm about to enjoy this juice. You hear me? I'm about to enjoy this juice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys will see me in my next video. Bye.